this level here. You alright?
Yeah.
We've got Alicia here today. So Alicia, can you let us know like what you're doing for work at the moment? And I know you're competing in training, just to just speak a bit about that.
Yeah, so I'm Alicia Hall. I am currently doing FIFO, so I do admin on site. It's around 2 hours from Port Hedland, up in the Pilbara, so that's fun. I also am going to compete in Season B this year, hopefully, if COVID doesn't take over again. So yeah, training really hard with Nicole Tan.
Yeah, cool. And have you, so with your training at the moment, is this the first competition you've ever done?
First ever.
Yeah.
So
yeah. And when did you start getting into serious training?
Serious training? Probably for the past year. Yeah, really like knuckled down on everything.
Yeah. And you put a picture up on your Instagram, I think it was like a week ago or something like that, like before and after. Even just like from your, when was the first photo from?
I think it was
6 months
October.
Or a year ago. Yeah, it's not long ago. And like dramatic like changes. So you're very disciplined with how you're doing everything, so it's cool. So, and what federation are you looking at competing in?
IFBB. So,
IFBB.
The more hardcore.
Yeah, more hardcore. That's anyway. Alright, so what we'll do, and so also as well, so I imagine, how many times training per week?
5.
Doing 5, yeah. And you're doing cardio and weights?
Yeah, cardio as well. So trying to cut
down.
Yeah.
And so also, what sort of issues are you sort of getting at the moment, or things that you're looking to get improvements with?
I don't really get too much trouble with my body, but more like my scapula, kind of my back.
Yeah.
More like trying to pose as well.
Yeah. What are you sort of having difficulty with the posing?
Yeah, so I used to have really I couldn't activate my lats and really get them full posing. So yeah, that really.
Cool. So what we'll do, we'll do some tests, do some adjustments, and see how you feel about that. Okay. Cool. So I'll get you to start on your tummy for me. Thanks. Face down.
Sorry, I've got makeup on.
No, that's right. Okay. Comfy there?
Yeah.
Cool. Alright, Alicia, so I'll get you with your right leg to raise as high as you can, but keeping it straight, as high as you can, as high, yep, and other side. Okay. So what I'll do like a hamstring test, so I'll get your heel to touch your bum. Okay, yep. This one, heel to touch your bum. Not too bad. Okay. This one, I'll do a glute test, so that leg up all the way. Holding that there, resist. Yeah. This one here, holding that there, resist. Yeah. You could tell even though your hamstrings had decent sort of activation, your glutes sort of failed pretty easily.
Yeah.
Often that will be due to what's going on here in your lower back.
Okay.
Particularly right and around there. Feel that?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you're a little bit sort of like this.
Okay.
Twisted towards that left side as well. That one, this will drop, okay? That's okay?
Yep.
Okay, so basically I'll do a few muscle releases, alright, Alicia? So first one I do is like just with your glute here.
Yeah.
So this will be pretty sore. Sucks.
I don't know if it tickles.
I'll get that right leg moving outwards. Yeah, that's it. And in, and out, and in, and out, and in, and out, and in. Okay. This one will be pretty. Alright. That one. Okay. Get through. Yeah. Right in through there. Definitely. And your right side, yeah, right through there. Yeah, so some of the issues through here that affect your ability to rotate and affect your posing as well. Through your upper back. Your be no doubt pretty sore on that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. That one as well. Alright. Okay. Alright, what we'll do, I'll get you on your side and facing towards me this way. On your side? On your side? As you work?
Oh, right. Yeah.
As you work? And then top there?
Yep.
Yep. And that, cool. And that hand there, just relaxing. Alright, so just do this one also a bit. She's tough. She can handle it. Alright, so we'll just do like a lower back adjustment through there, okay? So basically just for that. There we go. Cool. Okay?
Yeah.
And maybe a little legs this way. Yeah,
That one's
that one's good. That's the stepper kicking in, Alicia. Alright. This one. There we go, cool. And on your back again, please. Yeah, face up. Get that arm there, hold that there, and form a fist. And pushing up. But more that, yeah. That way. And go again. Okay. And again, push up. Yeah, that's not properly. This one here. And pushing up. Yeah. Yeah, both sides just aren't sort of firing properly. So even though it might not be causing you pain, it's testing how the nerve pathways are working from your brain out to the rest of your body. Mm-hmm. So that would affect things like how well your muscles activate and fire and that sort of stuff. Okay, this one here. And breathe in and out all the way. Okay, and switch your arms around. This way. Yep, and just come down from there. Yeah. In and out. Ooh. There we go.
There's one.
Okay, so we'll get you sitting up, facing this way for me next. There. Your headaches?
Rarely.
Rarely, okay.
But when I do, they're really sore.
That's right. So you're doing a lot of computer work?
Yeah, lots of computer work.
I imagine your shifts there, what, 12 hours?
12 hours.
So long, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and that prolonged sitting is almost more, probably even sometimes more so than the training. That's saying it's going to cause a lot of the issues.
Yeah.
And when you're on site as well, generally got pretty crap, like pillows and beds and stuff like that. That doesn't help support everything. So, you know, look, we see a lot of people that work away in the mines, and normally it's like pretty high stress, long days, if you're doing a lot of sitting in crap beds, and that sort of affects a lot of things we're looking at. Okay, to the left. To the right all the way. Yeah, that side's a bit stuck there. Okay. Alright, so what we'll do, I'll get you on your back, face up. Okay, so what we'll do with this one, Alicia, so this is like a decompression adjustment as well, so I'll get you actually coming down just so your knees are about there. Cool? Yep, perfect. Okay, like that. In there, good, yep, and head down, yep. That's cool, alright. So basically with this one, it's just taking like, try to create some space in some of the joints and then the disc spaces between the spine. It doesn't hurt, alright? And just relaxing and head, chin up a bit more. Perfect. So that will just hook under there. Good, and chin up a little bit more. Awesome. I'll try and make sure I don't touch that. Alright, okay. Cool, right, so with this one, we'll just do like, take pressure there, and I'll go boom, okay? And you'll come about 10 centimeters down, okay?
Okay.
You alright? So with this one, just let everything relax. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, that's all good. That's all good. Where did you mainly feel it?
Mainly like top of my neck.
Top of your neck, yeah. And how'd it feel? Okay. No, it's one of those ones. It's full on. Like, it's a big adjustment, but normally, and it can take a bit of time for it to settle in as well. But I'll get you in the back again. Yeah. So just would be the same with the neck, but this one isn't as full on. Okay. Okay. So basically, just feel this level here. You alright? Yeah. That one there. And that right ear touching. We good? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and your traps through there. Pretty. And just breathe in. And out. And in. And out. And in. And out. Okay, and arms like this. Yep. Release there. This one sucks a bit. You can blame coach for this one. Yeah. Okay. And this one, so what we'll be doing is going up like that, okay? It's like as if you're just doing like a press more that way. Awesome, yeah. On both sides, yeah. This one will be pretty sore. Yeah. And up. And up. And up. And up. Cool. Alright. Just let that one go. Right, that right leg up now. You see? So now push, resist, push, 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 push. Okay, push. Very good. Push. Very good. And actually, no, what we'll do, retest this one. So that there, nice and strong, pushing up that way. See? Okay, good. Pushing up that way. Good. And sitting up facing that way, thanks. Let that one go all the way. Yep. Alright, just that. Okay. So that posture, just trying to get that back there. Beautiful. All good. Cool. Right on like this. And push. Good. Have fun. Good. Alright, now let's get you standing here facing that way. Yep. And just bending over, touching your toes. There. Good. Good, and come back. All the way. And extend it back. Extend back. Good. And to left. Good. Alright, cool. Alright. Fantastic. Awesome. You did well. So how'd you find it? What was how'd you find particularly like the wide strap adjustment and some of the other ones?
Yeah, that was interesting. I've seen the video with Nicole and I was like, oh my god.
Yeah. She's like 30 kilos really around, so she flew across.
I know, you keep lying, literally like that.
Yeah.
No, that's awesome.
Yeah,
thank you so much.
That's right, my pleasure. So, like, and the big thing as well, like, we're really help with is just getting like things firing better, like for your training as well. Just so like you can, as you said, like one of the issues is you not activating well. A lot of people who come in who do bodybuilding and that sort of stuff that come in, they get, a lot of the results they get is often they just get better alignment and movement, which will help with like symmetry and also with posing, which is one of the things you said, but also they get better muscle activation when the nerve messages is flowing better. All right, beautiful.